Hi there everyone, welcome to Shisha Creative. Yes, you guessed it right. Today is a cooking video. We are going to make some white pasta today. This is a very delicious and easy recipe. This recipe will take around 30 to 40 minutes. Since the summer has started, I always like to make myself limited in the kitchen. And one recipe that my family would also love with just minimal time is pasta. Let's get started! The ingredients needed are 1 liter milk, 1 glass of water, half kg steamed chicken, half kg boiled penne, cornflour 3 tablespoons, garlic chopped, olive oil 3 tablespoons, any soup packet with white sauce base, cheese and salt to taste. First let's steam the chicken and then boil the penne. To boil the penne we have to add some salt and you can add some olive oil so that it does not stick together. Light the stove, add 3 tablespoons of olive oil, fry the garlic in it until it is light brown. Then you can add some milk and allow it to boil for some time. Once the milk is boiled well, add the chicken pieces in it. Then add the soup powder and mix well. Allow it to boil. Add some salt if needed because the soup packet will also contain some salt. So make sure that you taste the white sauce before you add some more salt to it. Allow it to boil for some time. Meanwhile, let's mix the corn flour with some water and make it into a solution. After it boils for some time, you add the corn flour solution to it and mix well. Now the white sauce is ready. Now we can add the penne to the white sauce. You can flavor it with some pasta mix and then you can add cheese, and now it is ready to be served. Now it's tasting time. Everyone in my family loves it and I hope you will too. Do try it and leave your comments in the comments box. Hope you like my videos. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe if you like my videos. Bye bye.